like I know, you know like I know, baby. Y'all know me. Yeah, y'all know me.
Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Hailey. Thanks for coming. Thanks for clicking to this video. If you see my last video, we picked out from the contents bag what we're gonna do today, and that is the workout video, my at-home workout video. I literally have a gym like not even 10 feet away from my my apartment, like right outside. You walk outside, there's the pool, and then another building is the gym. And dealing with toddlers, you can't always make it to the gym, so I do a lot of at-home workouts. Yeah, sometimes you just don't have any motivation to actually get up and go to the gym, but I feel like me doing what I do at the house has put in a lot of effort because I see changes. And you know, it's all about your personal your personal opinion, however you. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you're always hydrated. So I already drank some water. I usually drink like a full cup of water every morning, not like a little cup, but like a full glass of water. And sometimes I'll put like a little like lemon juice in there, and that's what I did this morning. I haven't ate anything. I hope you guys enjoy. Please stay tuned. If you aren't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, please don't forget to thumbs up. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me at Haily'S. Watch my last video, which was my top 10 favorite products of this month. You know, I talked about my Sweet Sweatband, and that is what I'm gonna put on because even though I'm not at the gym, you can still put this on. And like I said, I'm gonna show you guys how much sweat is gonna come off of this. I found the workout enhancer thing that I was talking about that I said I couldn't find it at first, but this is what came in the bag all together when I bought it off of Amazon. And what it says it's a workout enhancer. Oh shit, shoot. So that's what we're gonna do. The first thing we do is gonna apply. So for me, my biggest problem area right now, in my opinion, is my lower belly. It's like flat up here, and then I have this, you know, this mommy pouch going on. My hardest thing when it's time to work out are the abs. Now, when it comes to abs, I really slack off, and I probably don't give my absolute all, and that's because those to me are the hardest workout exercises ever. Like I can go do squats and you know a whole bunch of do leg day all day, but when it comes to abs, this is literally my struggle point because I literally don't have motivation to, you know, get this right and tight. And you know, another thing is it's really hard to lose belly fat. It really is. So don't be ashamed. Now, typically, if I do go to the gym, I'm not going to just wear a sports bra and these shorts. Just to be clear, I probably would never ever just wear this to the gym unless I had my own personal gym. I'm wearing it like I'm wearing just this right now because I'm in the comfort of my own home. But going to the gym, I'd probably put on like some leggings with a matching, I would have a top on, a shirt at all times. I'm not the one to go to the gym without a shirt on. Maybe one day I will, but right now I'm not. But you know, do whatever you feel comfortable with. All right. And another thing, so don't come at me for this, but you know, you have to improvise, and this is what I've done. Now I have resistant bands. I don't know where my other ones went. I had like 3 other colors, but having kids, they probably took them, and I've been through moving and stuff like that, I've lost them. So I have one left, and she is going through the struggle, okay? She's broken. I don't know what brand this was. It's really, really cheap, obviously, but she broke. So I had to tie her together, but it's really good resistance. So this is what I use sometimes, not all the time. If you're ready to see this at-home workout with Hailey, please stay tuned. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with, basic stretches. Touch your toes, open your legs, touch your toes. I hold these poses for about like 30 seconds each. It's really good to always stretch before you start any workout, whether you're at the gym or you're at home. Alright, after we shake it out from stretching standing up, we're just going to stretch from sitting down. And again, I just hold each of these poses for about like 30 seconds just to get a really good stretch and loosen up your muscles. Alrighty, now the first exercise we start off with are bridge raises. Now what I did is I did 100 bridge raises, but I broke them up doing 2 sets of 50. So this right now is my first set of 50, and then you'll see me take a quick little break, which is about like 15 seconds, 10 seconds, and then I start off again with my second set of 50. To get the best result with this exercise, you really want to squeeze your glutes really tight. As you can see, I was burning a little bit after that first 50. Okay, so the second exercise are side leg raises. I did 3 sets of 20 for these. These are really good for your hips. Alrighty, now I'm flipping over to the other side to do 20 on this leg. I flip over back and forth to do 20 on each leg, and then I stop and do the second set of 20 for each leg. So for this exercise, you can definitely use resistant bands. It would make it a lot harder for you to raise your legs, which obviously would help you gain more muscle in that area. After a while, these really, really hurt. Okay, so the next exercise are front leg raises. I did the same amount of reps like I did for the side leg raises, so I did 3 sets of 20. This exercise is really good for your thighs as well as your lower abs. exercises. I'm just gonna do 2 sets of 10 for push-ups. I am not the best when it comes to push-ups. Hey, I'm not the best at any of these exercises, but I think that they have really helped. I try to do at least 10 push-ups 3 times a day, so usually like in the morning, midday, and at night, and I think they really help. Oh my goodness, we are almost done. So the next set I do are jump squats, and I do 2 sets of 10 for jump squats. These are not my favorite. They really tire me out. I need to amp up my cardio definitely, but I know I feel the burn in my legs and in my butt. Those are the worst. I don't like those. Okay, everybody knows what these are. These are just simple back and forth lunges. I do 3 sets of 20 for my lunges too. These are really good for your hips, your thighs, and of course your butt. Okay, so I don't usually do jumping jacks all the time, but I don't know why I figured I'd throw them in there just for the heck of my own personal workout. Okay, so I'm pretty sure these are called burpees. Why they're called burpees, I have no freaking clue, but I do 2 sets of 10. These are also not my favorite, but hey, they get the job done, so no pain, no gain. Okay, so we're winding down to the end, and it's come to the hardest of them all, which are, ab workouts, in my opinion. So I just do a couple sit-ups here. I'm not really sure how many I did. I kind of just go till I can't go anymore. And then I did some of these, which I don't know what they're called, but I know they're really good for your lower stomach. I did a couple of these, and I kind of do these until I can't do them anymore. We're gonna throw in some scissor kicking and some leg chopping here. As you guys can see, I'm tired as fuck. So what we're gonna do last is the 2 30-second planks. The sweat, the sweet sweat. Let's see. Let's sweat in here. Ignore my stretch marks. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Check out my other videos. Don't forget to share. Whew, I'm tired. Before we leave, we have to pick out a new content for the next video. Alright, so the next video is going to be the family store vlog. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you'll be alerted for every single video I post. Alright, you guys, I wanted to show you what salad I said I was going to be eating, and I got this from, I live in Maryland, so I don't know if anybody else has it, but it's called Food Lion. It's kind of like equivalent to a Publix or like a Save Lot kind of, so Caesar salad is probably like my ultimate favorite. I always get it, but what I do is I add like boiled eggs and some type of meat. So right in here I have steak in there, but yeah. So I'll probably just eat the salad and maybe this fruit because I love fruit. That's pretty much it, and some water.